Keeping your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road is easier than ever with the Geico Mount. First things first, let's unbox the Geico Mount. Inside, you'll find the mount itself, a holder, and likely some simple essentials to get you started. Next, let's get the mount set up in your car. Secure the mount to your car's air vent or dashboard, ensuring it's stable and within easy reach. Clip the holder to the mount. Now, place your phone in the holder. Make sure it's snug and secure. You don't want it to fall while you're driving. Open the Geico mobile app and locate the DriveEasy section. This is where all the magic happens. With your phone in the mount, the DriveEasy feature will automatically detect and record your driving behavior. Using your phone's sensors, this data helps contribute to potential discounts on your car insurance. The Geico Mount allows hands-free calling when you use a Bluetooth headset or the car's audio system. Remember, safer driving habits can lead to lower insurance rates. The Geico Mount streamlines the DriveEasy program, promoting a safer and more convenient driving experience. Embrace the hands-free lifestyle and start saving today.